How to change language in Gemini AI. So let's get started. Firstly, go to any web browser and search for the Gemini AI. Then simply navigate to the Gemini AI official website. Now, once you're inside the Gemini AI official website, you can see settings option available there in the left side. Simply tap on these settings and you might see that there is no language option available in the Gemini AI. So in order to change the Gemini AI language, you will need to change Google's language because it does not have any official built-in feature to change the language. So all you have to do is tap on the new tab option available by the plus icon in the top left corner. Then tap on the three dot. Then tap on the settings from the drop down menu. Inside settings from the left side panel, you can see language option available there. Now tap on the add language and add the language you want to set it on Gemini AI. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.